In this video, we'll dive into how to pay bills in Xero and cover everything you need to know to get started quickly. Whether you're a small business owner or just starting with Xero, learning how to pay bills efficiently is a crucial step. And stick around, because I'll also show you some tips and tricks to make this process even easier. To start, let's talk about navigating to the Bills section in Xero. Once you log into your Xero account, head over to the Business menu and select Bills to Pay. This is where all your outstanding bills will appear. You'll be able to see a list of bills you've received from your suppliers, the amount due, and the due dates, which will help you stay on top of payments. Next, if you're looking to pay a bill, simply click on the bill you want to pay. This will open up the details, and here you'll see the option to add payment. You'll need to enter the payment amount and the date you plan to make the payment. You can also select the bank account you'll be paying from, making it easy to keep everything organized in Xero. Now, if you're making a partial payment or paying multiple bills at once, Xero makes this process really flexible. You can choose the Pay Multiple Bills option, where you can select multiple bills and make one payment for several of them at once. This is ideal for managing your cash flow and reducing time spent on individual payments. When you're ready to actually process the payment, Xero gives you different options depending on your setup. You can record the payment manually, link it to your bank account if you're using Xero's bank feeds, or even set up direct bank payments through integration with your payment service. After processing the payment, Xero will automatically update the bill's status to paid, and it will sync with your financial reports, ensuring everything is reflected in real time. If you've got any prepayments or deposits on your account, Xero will even take those into account when making the payment, so you're always in the loop on your finances. One of the best things about paying bills in Xero is the ability to reconcile payments. If you're using Xero's bank feeds, the software will match payments automatically, saving you time on manual entry and reducing errors. You'll also be able to track which bills are overdue, so you don't miss any payments or incur late fees. As a new user, I know you're looking for ways to streamline this process, and Xero does a fantastic job making bill payments simple and automated. It's not just a tool for keeping track of bills. It helps you save time, reduce human error, and manage your cash flow effectively. For those of you who want to take your Xero skills to the next level, there are also features for creating recurring bills and setting up reminders, so you never miss a due date again. It's an incredibly versatile tool that grows with your business and keeps your finances organized. Now, as a special offer, you can try Xero for free and access an exclusive bonus by signing up through the link below. With this extended trial, you'll get a chance to explore all the features without any commitment and see how Xero can change the way you handle your finances. Remember, paying bills in Xero is simple once you get the hang of it, and now that you know how to do it efficiently, you're on your way to mastering your business finances. Don't forget to check out that link for your exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.